Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching.
Take off my makeup with me. Merida from Brave Gone Wrong edition. I am obsessed with this. Like the detail. First I'm going to take off these so that I can talk. And my contacts from TTDI. And that. Now I'm going to take off my wig, which is from I&H Hair. It's from their new Disney collaboration. To keep my wig on, I also use the Wig Fix, which is a solution to keep your wig on without wig glue. It's super easy. It's literally in my hair. I don't even want to attempt. It's gonna hurt. Green Clean Makeup Melt Away. SFX is so painful. I don't know, maybe I'm sensitive. I'm gonna go shower. Thank you so much for watching.
Take off my makeup with me, Snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me. Megamind edition. First, to take out these contacts and this cape that I made out of poster board. And now this lovely chin. My chin's not that big. I made this bald cap and I was really proud of it. Ow. Ow. Oh my gosh, that hurt so bad. Maybe I should not have done that. I'm using the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away. In a trusty face halo. Goodbye, makeup. And you're done. Time to go shower. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Stranger Things Demogorgon edition. I'm really eager to take this off because it's not comfortable. So first I'm going to take off this. There's a lot of bobby pins in my hair, but I'm just going to take this off so I can see. That actually came off so easily. What the heck? This is a look. Now I'm just going to take off my eyelashes. Now I'm using the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away. When like stage 4 dry, it is the most uncomfortable thing, and kind of hard to get off too. Don't tell Skincare by Hiram I did that. Or that I'm using makeup wipes. This literally won't come off. I'm gonna go shower now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Take off my makeup with me. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. This is bad. Oh no! I'm gonna try to get the CD. The neck is always the worst part. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. I'm gonna go shower.
Makeup with me. Me Clown Edition. I am obsessed with this look. You know the drill. Smiley face. Both lenses are from TTDI. Use Ruthio1 for money off. And now my wig, of course, which I already took off because I forgot to film it. From I&H Hair. And my lashes. From Luscious Lashes by T. Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away. This is like my favorite part. Now some makeup remover wipes. And you're done. Obviously, I'm gonna go shower. Thank you so much for watching.
Hi guys, welcome to me hurting myself by taking off makeup. Let me get these contacts out. Let's get some of these gems off. Ow. Let's get these mustache gems off. Oh my god. It feels like I'm waxing my lip. Ow! Let's get this one off and this one. All these forehead gems. I'm gonna use this piece of tape to try and get some of the glitter off. I forgot I had eyelashes on. I'm gonna go shower. It's time to take this off. Isn't it cute though? Okay, well, these aren't my real eyes, so I'm gonna take these out. Yeah. I put these little candies on with liquid latex. Let's get the other side. Oh! Last one. I think these are edible. That does not taste good. Gotta get these eyelashes off. There's one. There's two. Now we're gonna wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Take off my makeup with me. So I just finished this look. It took me about 3 hours, and now I'm just gonna take it off. This is not gonna go well. Okay, so first things first, I have to take out these contacts. Okay, so the Green Clean from Pharmacy is my #1 makeup remover, and if you haven't tried it, literally what are you doing? Because this is the best shit ever. And I gotta take off my ponytail hair extension. Oh god, I have to brush that out. Oh boy. I forgot to take off my eyelashes. Well, I look like a Smurf. Oh my god, I just remembered I forgot to take a picture of this look. Well, this is going great. Well, that wasn't so bad, but I definitely need to go take a shower now.
Take off my makeup with me. Zombie edition. So first, I'm gonna take out my contacts. And I'm gonna try to take off this. It's kind of satisfying. By the end of Halloween and all this SFX pulling, I should not have any blackheads. And the last one. This looks so weird. I'm gonna use some Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. And you're done. My face is kind of red, but I just peeled a bunch of stuff on my face, so thank you for watching.
And we're back with another Take Off This Look with me. Guys, I don't know where to start. This looks so disgusting. Ah! It hurts so bad. Talk about the pain. Pain is for the weak. And I'm a tough cookie. And since you can only see halfway, let's take out the contact. Now that we got our eyeballs back, let's remove this mouth. Ouch. Have you ever ripped off an old scab and it hurt like a... Running out of time, see you guys out. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Till next time.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, clown edition. Okay, these obviously are my real eyes, so let's get these contacts out. Oh my lord, I can see. Okay, this is probably gonna hurt me. Oh my gosh. Ow, ow. Ow. I'm gonna spray this. And now, we wipe. Oh my. Let's get the other eye. Oh my gosh, I have eyelashes on. I completely forgot I had these on. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me. Envy from the 7 Deadly Sins edition. I already took out one contact, so let's just take out the other. Now let's take off this wig, maybe, and all 3 lashes. Now we have to scrape this bad boy off. Yum. We're not going to talk about how cleanly that came off though. Now I'm just taking some of my Pharmacy Green Clean and rubbing it all over as always. And some makeup remover wipes. Don't come at me, my face halos are dirty and I need to wash them.